Hi guys, it's your girl Faye, and we're now here in Japan. Our itinerary for today is we will be going to first Saint Ignatius Church. We need to go to the church first to thank God for all of the blessings He gave us. Then after, we're going to Asakusa. We're going to explore Asakusa, and then our last stop will be in Tokyo Skytree. So see you there.
Today we're here around St. Ignatius Church right in Kojimachi, Chiyoda-ku, Tokyo, just a minute's walk from Yotsuya Station. It's an easy spot to reach, surrounded by shops, cafes, and the beautiful Sophia University campus. The area has a peaceful vibe despite being in central Tokyo, making it perfect for a quick spiritual visit before exploring nearby neighborhoods like Shinjuku or Akasaka. Let's check it out!
Hey guys, we're finally here at Guys, we're finally here at Saint Ignatius Church in Tokyo, and this is the church. I'll just let you see a picture because I think they are not allowed. We are not allowed to take videos inside, and I'll give you some facts about Saint Ignatius Church. So, St. Ignatius Church in Tokyo is a new circular church located in Yotsuya or Iidabashi area, known for its grand yet intimate atmosphere. The church features high ceilings, a central chrysanthemum ceiling design, and vertical panels of stained glass throughout the walls. The walls are made of concrete and lattice, adding texture and warmth. The church also has a pipe organ in the loft and a choir loft. Hi guys, we're now in Nakamise Street, Kaminarimon Gate in Asakusa.
guys, we're here in Asakusa, Tokyo, and I just found a ramen spot you've got to try. Yokohama EAK Ramen. This place serves the famous Leke-style ramen from Yokohama. Thick, straight noodles in a rich pork and soy-based broth, topped with tender chashu, spinach, and crispy nori. It's hearty, flavorful, and perfect before and after exploring SENSO-JI Temple and Nakamise Street. Let's dig in!
Hi guys, we're now finally here at Nakamise Street, Kaminarimon Gate in Asakusa. I'm going to tour you here because there are a lot of street foods and shopping mall here or shopping attractions.
We're here at Kaminarimon Gate, the iconic Thunder Gate of Asakusa and the grand entrance to SENSO-JI Temple. Just past it is Nakamise Street, a lively stretch packed with souvenir shops and street food stalls. Perfect for grabbing traditional snacks and gifts while soaking up the old Tokyo vibes. Let's explore! I'm now here at the 365 Lip Balm store, and this place is so unique. You can actually pick a lip balm model and scent based on your birth date. Each day of the year has its own special design, so it feels super personal and you can choose from different scents to match your style. It's the perfect mix of cute, collectible, and practical, which is definitely a must visit if you're looking for one-of-a-kind souvenir.
Ma, ichigo dai fuku. Pila ka mo? Increased, 130 yen. Kung sa manibuok? 400? 400. 400 yen. Isa lang. Two of this, please. Custard. Custard. Yes, please. Arigatou gozaimasu. We have the Ichigo Daifuku. Oh my gosh. Sarap. We go first. Kuhain lang strawberry. Mahulog ang strawberry.
I just found a strawberry tanghulu store and wow, these strawberries look amazing. Each one is coated in a shiny glass-like sugar shell that's super crunchy, and inside these strawberries are fresh, juicy, and bursting with sweetness. It's like biting into candy and fruit at the same time. Definitely a must-try treat.
No eating water broken. Eating. You can just do that. Thank you.
Thank you. Eat there, down there. Kaya na sila'y basurahan diri. Yeah. Dami. It's okay. You get it. Like that. You ubos it. Can you bite into it? Bite?
We're here at SENSO-JI Temple in Asakusa, Tokyo's oldest and most famous Buddhist temple. From the iconic Kaminarimon Gate to the vibrant Nakamisu Street and the beautiful main hall, this place is full of history, culture, and stunning views.
Hey guys, we're now here at Tokyo Salamachi. This is the mall below the Tokyo Skytree. So we're going to explore this mall before we go into the Tokyo Skytree.
I'm here inside Tokyo Solamachi supermarket and it's a paradise for food lovers. You'll find everything from fresh fruits and premium cuts of meat to unique Japanese snacks and beautifully wrapped sweets. Every aisle is filled with local flavors and seasonal treats, perfect for picking up groceries, grabbing a quick bite, or finding delicious souvenirs to take home.
Guys, look at their watermelon. So maliit. 980 yen. Shara, how much is 980 yen? Wait, guys. It's 359 pesos, girl.
I'm up on the upper floors of Tokyo Solamachi, and this area is a treat for both shoppers and foodies. There's Banana Biori with its sweet banana-themed goodies, the adorable Snoopy Town Shop, and Miffy Style for all the cute merch you can imagine. You'll also find plenty of food stalls serving irresistible snacks, plus the Rilakuma store packed with plushies and collectibles. And that's just the start. There are so many other fun stores to explore up here, making it the perfect spot to shop, snack, and soak in the Tokyo vibes. the base of Tokyo Skytree, and it's just as impressive from down here, towering above at 634 meters. All around are shops, restaurants, and the lively Tokyo Solamachi, making it a perfect starting point before heading up for the view. And now I've just stepped inside Tokyo Skytree, Japan's tallest structure at 634 meters. The place is buzzing with excitement as visitors get ready to ride the high-speed elevators that reach the observation decks in just about 50 seconds. What's really cool is that each elevator has its own seasonal theme. Spring with cherry blossoms, summer with fireworks, autumn with golden leaves, and winter with snowflakes. So even the ride-up is part of the experience. I can't wait to reach the top and take in those breathtaking 360-degree views of Tokyo and maybe even catch a glimpse of Mount Fuji. First stop is the Tembo deck at 350 meters, where the 360-degree glass windows give you an incredible view of the entire city. You can see the endless stretch of Tokyo's skyline, Tokyo Bay shimmering in the distance, and on a clear day, even a glimpse of Mount Fuji. Just above is the Tembo Galleria at 450 meters, the world's highest skywalk. I didn't go up this time, but it's definitely on my list for next visit. I also passed by Sky Restaurant 634, which serves Japanese French fusion cuisine with an unbeatable view. Maybe next time I'll try it out. Whether you come for the breathtaking views or the chance to dine in the clouds, Tokyo Skytree is an We are now back at the base of Tokyo Skytree after that amazing view from the top, and we decided to have dinner at the food stalls here. The moment we walked in, we were surrounded by the aroma of grilled skewers, the glow of lanterns, and the sound of sizzling food. It honestly feels just like being at a traditional Japanese festival. It's the perfect way to end the day. Delicious food, a lively atmosphere, and the Skytree towering above us. That's it for today's adventure, but stick around because in the next vlog, we've got even more exciting Tokyo spots to explore.